Okay, a very good morning to each and every one of us here at the Zenith Go Getters Academy. All right, so there you have it. This is rocks. We are currently mining rocks and it's real money, okay? So you can always do any plan of your choice. So there are several plans. I started with the 1 month plan. This is actually the best plan. 3 months, 20x 3 months is 63,500. And that's what you make for every 3 hours, every cycle. That's what you make every 3 hours. That's what you make. That's what it means. You make that every 3 hours. But you see, this is different. Okay, so this one I did. Okay, all right. So, but this is the best. This is the best. 30 times boost. This is the best. Okay, for 3 months. So all you need to do is deposit money into your MasterCard, connect it to your Google application, and subscribe, just like I did. Okay, so that's my own purchase. Okay, so once that is done, it keeps mining for you every 3 hours. You come here to claim. You just come here to claim. Once you claim, and then the money reflects there, so you can easily withdraw it. Okay, you can withdraw that to your NC wallet. Like I told you guys, those of you who are mining Bitcoin, you also need your NC wallet. Very matured wallet. Just click here, scroll up a bit and click on Max. I want to withdraw that, and you click on withdraw. It's gone. It doesn't waste time at all. Show transaction. So it takes you to my NC wallet. So this is my NC wallet now. All right. This is my NC wallet. It opens up and boom. That's my money there. All right, that's my money there. If case you have any issue, you can contact support. So I just withdrew 71 cents, which is about $1. Okay, so I can come back and see all my transactions. These are all my withdrawals. These are all my withdrawals. Okay, so come back here to exchange. No, I come to exchange, so I can see how many rocks I have there. So if I want to send, I can send to you. I can send to someone who has it, or I can go to the exchange and exchange it. So I can tap on I can come here and tap on maximum and change it to dollars, to USDT. But the minimum I can exchange is 99. That's the minimum I can exchange. 9338. So once you exchange that, it will reflect here. So the minimum amount is 7. I need to exchange 7 ROX. 1 ROX is equals to $1. So that's how it works. You exchange that and then you withdraw to your account. So it's as simple as that. So this is my wallet. You can see right there. So that's my ROX. So I keep mining. So once I'm done, I exchange it for USDT and send. You need to know how you send money now. You send to your account. So you can send. So once there's money there, here will reflect for you to send. So you can transfer to any wallet of your choice. So that's how powerful the platform is. You want to pick up your referral link, you come back here to Rocks. Come back here to Rocks to pick up your referral link. I think that should be somewhere here. So you come to referrals. So I can always invite. Then you copy that. And then you send. So that's how it works. That's how it works. So the higher your investment deposit, the more it mines for you. So this one is mine at 20x. That gives me about 5 cents every 3 hours or more, depending on your network. Okay, so once you mine, you withdraw. Once you mine, you withdraw to your every 3 hours. So just set an alarm for every 3 hours. It takes less than 1 minute to process. And then you are done for the day. Then you can cash out when you have 7 rocks. So that's the minimum withdrawal. So keep mining and keep enjoying. If you have any questions, why not leave it with me? I shall attend. My name remains Ambassador Sweetness, Ego, God Glory, and I'm signing out. Thank you.